Hey there everyone. In this video, we will talk about how we can scale up, let's say, a logo or text that is there inside your model inside PTC Creo. So for example here, you can see this logo is producing out. So I need to scale this down based on the model size. So what I'm going to do here is probably first of all, let me hide the plane. I will try to reduce the size of it. So let's quickly go in Sketch, because that's the safest way to scale down certain geometry. So now I am in PTC Creo Parametric sketch mode, and here you can see how whole thing look like. And if I am going to scale down these values one by one, it will be really cumbersome. Although there is an option where we can do that, but really I simply want to select everything, and now simply I'm gonna click on Rotate and Resize. Now here we have got this scale factor. I'm gonna put, let's say, 0.6. Let's hit enter, and seems like this will work perfectly fine for me. Now let me also make it a little bit center, which I can do by dragging this. And probably what I can do is I can also take some more reference, and this way we have readjusted this logo. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow more such tutorial, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.